the founder of 10xcoderkids.com.
Hey friends, I'm Saiasmi Gupta and I'm 10 years old. I'm the co-founder of 10xcoderkids.com. And if you like this video, don't forget to smash that like button, share this video, comment down below if you like it, and subscribe to our channel if you have not done yet.
Sayan Gupta
Saiasmi Gupta
and
10x
10x Coder Kids. So without any delay, let's get started. And today we are gonna unbox this Raspberry Pi kit that we have over here. And there will be a lot of different components for a Raspberry Pi in this kit. So without any delay, let's get started. Damn!
Okay, so now I'll just do a snippy snip.
Cut it from there.
Yeah.
Don't cut the box like you did in the previous video.
I can do it, right? Just let me do it.
You're just wasting your viewers' time.
I'm not.
You aren't. Yes, you aren't. It takes a little bit of time.
Wow, it's beautiful.
Okay,
It's
so here
magical.
we have a kit. We can't see any problems. See if there's anything inside this.
Nothing.
Okay, and then there's a slip over here. Quite cool. So
Really cool. So
First, let's see.
before you open, let's show
there
them
are
to
some
the user.
slips like this over here.
Yeah, that's so cool.
And
Not
then
design wala.
There are everything over here, and
All the pins.
I can't see if this is fault. Nowhere I can see if this is faulty. So
Yeah,
if
let's just see.
open this. Asmer. Okay.
What?
So this is something. This is a wrapper, and then this is a box.
Show to them, my child.
Excuse me.
Bless you.
So over here, this is our mini components kit. What are you doing? Mini components kit, right? So there are a lot of components, and there's no problem till now in
Yeah.
this. We can perfectly unbox this.
So let's just open this, right? Yeah.
How should we open this?
Don't you know? Shall I help?
You are about to press the stop button.
I was about to.
Ooh. Okay.
Sure.
So this is our kit just
So
over here.
wonderful and colorful.
So now there are a lot of LEDs over here in here.
Yeah.
So these small LEDs.
Yeah, as you can see, these are very small, tiny LEDs. So
This is our RGB LED that is white.
yeah, as you can I also show? So as you can see, I will be making a video of the project of how of turning on this LED.
Yes.
Right? And we are gonna turn on our LED and our first program of Raspberry. Not first program. What did I say? Fourth program. Sorry. It would be.
Fourth? How fourth?
Because three.
Those are videos. That will be our fifth. That will be your fourth video.
Yeah.
So
whatever.
over here we have something in here.
I think
And then
something is written on it. I'm trying to just read.
and look, the pins are a little bit bent over here. Look, guys, the pins are a little bit bent.
And in this one also.
The pin is, I think, is all right in this.
No, look, it's
But
kind
this
of
pin is bent over here a little bit.
Look. Who's it? Sorry, we are in between of our video. We can't. Alright, so what is these? Okay, so I don't think so. Anything
This
is
is-
damaged in here.
Yeah. Open it. So this, I don't know what this is.
Alright, so we have got our other package as well.
Oh wow. So 2 packages in a row. And
Wow.
you see over here, guys, we have a lot of different resistors. This is our resistors that right, so these are our resistors over here. Quite cool.
Yeah, but there's a bit problem, man.
What?
You know, these pins are quite bent and maybe we'll not be able to connect. our,
Yeah, look at this, guys. This is all bent.
look, as you can see.
Oh, they could not see mine. This
Yeah.
is bent.
Yeah, maybe let's see this.
This is
Oh my god, this is so much bent. Look, Sunday.
right.
Okay, what is this?
Okay, we'll show it to.
Our pops.
Yes. And I don't understand what this is. We will learn about all this.
Yeah,
Very gently, very gently.
very gently, please. Okay, keep the other stuff as well back over there. So now let's show them the blue and the white.
I showed them the white one. And this is a blue LED.
And I can't just hold the green
I'll
LED. And this is the green LED.
So we have yellow, green, blue, and red.
Red.
And then we have a RGB LED that can show different colors.
At a time. Like
Yeah,
after
it can
duration.
show purple, blue, any color.
And what about these blacky thingy?
I don't know what this is, but I do know that the most important thing over here for us is these resistors and the lights.
Okay, so what does a resistor do?
So the resistor basically whatever whatever is the power that is supplied to any external hardware, it will lower the power according to its needs that will be supplied. So less power will be supplied, so that like if there is an LED over here and we supply a lot of voltage to this will like burst. But with a resistor we can minimize that voltage that will be supplied to our LED, and then it won't burst and it will blink perfectly. So this was a starter kit.
Yeah, this was a starter kit in which lots of things are bent and damaged, but
Yes.
it's alright. We will find out about them and we'll see if they are correct. And let's now unbox our this Amazon. Maybe I think so. These are the
LED. These are the wires. These are the
male to
wires.
male, all.
So through these wires we will make our real connect
Yeah.
our external hardware. Really connect our external hardware. So we'll put our external hardware on our breadboard, and then using these wires we will connect one part of it to our expansion board that came for our GPIO pins. One part of the wire will be connected there, and the other part will be connected to our external hardware. So because of this, what will happen? Our external hardware will really be connected.
Yeah.
So let's just unbox this. Also, this was a
Snappy
surprise.
Snap. I thought it would come in the evening or something.
Yeah, same.
Not like immediately when we are unboxing the starter kit. Just snippy snip. Oh no.
Okay.
There's a bubble wrap.
So glad to see this. That there is a sorry.
It's alright.
Glad to see that.
It's fully, secured and it's in a bubble wrap.
And then there's a price slip in here.
Bubble wrap. So,
What is this? So
this is
we got some type of card also.
a coupon.
And then we have, dear customers, greeting from TekBud. Thank you for shopping with us.
Thank you message. Haha.
And this card is cool.
Maybe this is a coupon or something. Just show them once again.
This-
Perfectly.
This is a coupon. Okay. This is a card that has come over here.
Why are you covering that thingy?
It's the coupon code.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I remember. You cannot be that sneaky, guys. Okay, so we are just opening it. Just don't destroy the bubble wrap because I will be doing not a video, but at least. Oh, there are.
I
two
think
things
I
over
need
here.
to destroy the bubble wrap.
Come on, man. No, please.
Yes, so.
Oh wow, I will have multiple double rabbits. Do you hear that, Asma? Do you? Okay, dokie. So are these the male to male wires? And
These
the
are
female
all
to
the
female?
wires.
All?
Yeah, that we need.
You mean all?
Yes, I mean all. This is a lot of bubble wrapping and very secure.
I hope nothing is damaged in here at least.
Yeah.
I cannot. I love the rainbow colors. Mamma mia!
Okay.
Senorita.
So there are different sets of these wires. So let's take off the rubber band.
Be careful.
Take the rubber band, and then over here we have our wires.
Can I
So
hold one?
this is our female to female wire. Now you must be thinking, how do you know?
I know that. How do you know? Because over here, you know, at the black.
So this is the female to female wire, because this side also has pins and the other side also has the pins.
Now this is the male to male wire because this is the male to male wire
So
because it
this
does
is-
not have
Is
pins.
this the male to male or that?
I get confused. I don't remember.
Okay, so this is the male to female wire.
Yeah, we know that because one side has pins and the other side, you know, has to be connected with the pins, right?
Right. And
So wait a second. I will come.
no, this is the male to male, I think, not the female to female. This is the male to male.
Wait a second. I will just come in a second. Till
Okay.
then, you try
Okay.
to discover.
Okay. So this is the male to male, I think. So this is a male to female wire. Let's just see if anything is broken over here. Nothing is damaged till now. When we really take out the wires, then we'll know.
Alright. I get it. Okay, so I've got it, guys. I've discovered. So this which has both sides. Oh no, this is the male to female wire. This which has both sides pins. Right, as you can see, this has both sides
Yeah.
pins. This is the male to male wire.
I said that. So this is over here also there are pins, and over here also there are pins. So this is the male to male, and this is the female to female wire.
Yeah, this
But
is the female to
surprisingly, the wires are bent a
Little
lot.
bent.
A lot. You can see this. They're bent a lot.
Yeah, but they can get into places. There is no,
No,
issue.
look, they're bent a lot. Okay, so this is the thing to note, that they are bent a lot.
Yeah, so this let's just tell them once again. So this is the
Okay.
female to female wire which does not have the pins on both sides.
And-
it has to be connected
Yeah.
with the pins.
Yeah. So this, don't make it so confusing. This has no pins on both sides, and this is the female to female wire. This has one pin, pins on one side and not on the
other side.
So one side will go inside our GPIO pin, and other side will be connected to
To
our
our
hardware.
Hardware, I think.
This will go in our GPIO pins, and
and
this
this
will go
to our
hardware. And this over
Is our-
here for direct connections, male to male wire.
Yeah,
the
this is
one
the
will
direct connections.
yeah. So over here. No, so this is for connection, to make connections on the breadboard. So one side of this will go on the breadboard, and the other side will go to the hardware that is on the breadboard. And
Yeah.
this over here, female to female, is over here for like connecting one side to the GPIO pins and the other side to our external hardware that is not on the breadboard.
Yeah, so like you can see only this male to female is a bit okay, but still there are benty bends wires. So be aware
This
of
is
that.
perfect. male to male is
No, male to male is not perfect. Just turn it around.
male to male is perfect.
Male to male is perfect. But female to female. What happened to you, female to female? No.
Female to female is not that perfect, and
Yeah.
they're just a little bit bent, but this is male to female, this is female to female,
And that is male to male.
And this was for this unboxing, guys. We also got a surprise today because these things were not
Yeah.
expected to come today.
So let me just have a bit revision with you guys. So this was our which kit?
Mini starter kit.
Mini starter kit. All right. So in which we have got.
Carefully, please.
Yeah, sorry. Here it is. So what is this? These are registers, right?
Yeah, these are the resistors, and we can understand the color coding that is there on this.
And so these are the LEDs, guys. As you can see, the colorful.
These both are the LEDs.
Yeah.
And
so
then these is some stuff, but
pinzy.
But this over here, this and a smaller version of this were all bent. Right? So they were all bent. So a thing to note.
Yeah.
So,
and wait. We just can't, And now we close it.
Okay.
And
so
oops, we didn't keep this.
Oh,
also,
okay.
fine. Whenever Simon says so, and I said no, wait. Alright, so these were all our wires, and we had unboxed our starter kit, mini starter kit. So
thank you guys. If you like the video, don't forget to smash that like button, share this video, comment down below if you like it, and subscribe to our channels Gupta, Saiasmi Gupta, and 10x Coder Kids. Thank you guys. Bye. Stay safe, stay healthy, and keep watching our videos. Damn!